Okay, live update. Elaine Thompson-herah is victorious at the Birmingham Muller Indoor Grand Prix World Indoor Tour 2022. So Elaine ran 7.08, a season's best and the fourth fastest time this season to secure a victory. In second place was Kambunji of Switzerland, young athlete, very impressive, with a 7.11, which is her season's best as well. Daryl Nita of Great Britain was in third at 7.13 with a personal best. Alright, now Thompson-herah got off to a slow start but was able to power past the other athletes to finish in first, as we said, in 7.08. It's early in the season and Thompson-herah has said that she is there to work on her start. Wasn't the best start, however, but her speed and power was able to secure the victory. Alright guys, just a quick update. Thank you for watching. Remember, like, subscribe and stay tuned for more updates.